Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's find the sleep option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick 10 minutes, and as you can see, after tapping on it, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.